Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn on Python keywords and Python identifiers. Let us first look into Python keywords. Python keywords are nothing but the reserved words in Python. These are the Python keywords. In this, if you notice clearly, the keywords like false, none, true are beginning with an uppercase letter, whereas all other keywords are in lowercase letters. We have to use these keywords as they are. If there is a case change, then these keywords are not considered as keywords, else they will be treated as identifiers. Identifiers we'll see in the next part of this lecture. So let us concentrate on Python keywords. So now let me type some of the Python keywords. If, as, while, break, true, false, none, import, so on and so forth. So one thing you can observe is there is a color change for these particular words. If I type any other word other than the keywords, the color change will not happen. Let me show you the case sensitivity of Python, where this if is not equivalent to the if keyword. Okay, that's why I said that keywords are need to be used as they are. Similarly, we have true is true as keyword, which we cannot use it as true like this. Okay, so except true, false and none, all other keywords are in lowercase only. Another important point about keywords is we cannot use keywords as identifiers. So what do we mean by identifiers? Let us now learn what are identifiers and how to use them. Python identifiers. Python identifier is the name given to identify a variable, function, class, module or other object in Python. And the rules for Python identifier are as follows. First thing, identifier can start with any underscore or lowercase character or uppercase character only, followed by any number of characters, digits and underscores. This means that we cannot use any special characters in Python identifiers. That is what our next rule. No special characters are allowed in Python identifiers. And Python is case sensitive. Let us understand these rules through coding. According to the first rule, we can create identifiers by using lowercase letters, or identifier can start with underscore, identifier can start with uppercase letter, or an identifier has entirely uppercase letters. Identifiers can have digits. So all these are valid identifiers. Now let us look at some of the invalid identifiers. Identifiers cannot start with a digit. So you can see the color changeover is indicating that this is not a valid identifier. Similarly, an identifier cannot have a special character and case sensitivity. Now the identifier name is not same as name or name. All the three identifiers whatever I have given here are not same. They are different identifiers. Okay, so we need to keep this in mind while we are using keywords or we are giving names for variables, classes, modules or objects. Okay, So I hope you have understood about Python keywords and Python identifiers. That's all for this lecture. In the next video lecture, we are going to learn about Python variables and data types. Thank you.